Immediate evacuation for the Columbia area. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Columbia Fire Department. Residents in Columbia should evacuate immediately. An explosion and resulting fire has erupted in Columbia State Historic Park after a propane gas line was found to be leaking and was ignited by a backfiring car engine. The explosion has destroyed many landmarks in the area. Due to the various amounts of grass around the area, along with the wooded areas where the fire could easily spread, residents in Columbia should evacuate the area immediately. Residents should evacuate towards State Route 49 to Sonora. Do not return unless an all clear has been given.